I'm flying solo. I'm going to make lasagna cupcakes. Hey guys, I'm Angela from A&C with a Twist, and today I'm flying solo. I'm going to make lasagna cupcakes. Let's get baking! We're going to make two different types of lasagna cupcakes. We're going to make normal cupcakes, lasagna cupcakes with ground beef, and others with the filling of ricotta cheese. So our ingredients today are wonton wraps, 1 egg, ricotta cheese, black peppercorn, mozzarella cheese, salt, chopped spinach, frozen chopped spinach, Parmesan, and sauce. We're gonna make the ricotta cheese one first. So we need half a cup of ricotta cheese because we're gonna take half of everything from the original recipe. Once you get half a cup of the ricotta cheese, you can just put it in the bowl. Next, we're gonna take half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Once you put the Parmesan cheese in, we're gonna chop up some frozen spinach, and it'll be a 1/4 cup of frozen spinach. So my spinach is already chopped a little bit, but I'm gonna chop it a little bit more to get it the way I want it. And if you're cutting this, you might want to have your parents just in case. So you might want to have your parents cut it so you don't cut yourself. Once you get your spinach how you like it, you can just add it into the mixture. Once you put the chopped spinach in, you're going to put 1 large egg in. Now you're gonna grab a spatula or a fork and mix it up. After you mix it, you're gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then a pinch of black pepper. And mix again. This is the time when you need some sort of cupcake pan. This is the time when you need some sort of cupcake pan and your wonton wraps. I've never opened this before, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. Finally. Once you get them open, we're gonna take 1 wonton sheet and put in each circle. So it'll be like our noodle. It's finally the time where you can put your mixture into 6 of the wonton sheets, or what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put 6 of them in. And just put about a spoonful or a little more. You don't want to put all of the whole mixture in because you need to put 2 layers. It's finally time to use your mozzarella cheese. You can just put a little bit or however much you want. Then you put about a spoonful of your sauce in each, on top of each layer. Now you do the same thing over again. The wonton sheets. Your mixture. Your cheese. Then another spoonful of sauce. And you're done with the ricotta cheese lasagna. Now it's time to move on to the original lasagna. It's the same way if you make normal lasagna, it's just gonna be smaller. So, ground beef that my mom made, more sauce, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. First thing you need is your ground beef, and you're gonna put about a spoonful of the ground beef, exactly how you did with the ricotta cheese. Once you put the ground beef in, you're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of salt in each one and a little bit of black pepper. Next, you're gonna put a little bit of mozzarella cheese and a spoonful of sauce. Little bit of mozzarella. And a spoonful of sauce. And you just repeat it again. And some ground beef. A little bit of peppercorn. A little bit of salt. More cheese. Another spoonful of sauce. And you're done. All you need to do now is preheat the oven to 375 degrees and let it cook, let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Time to put them in the oven. After they're done cooking, I'm gonna cut up some basil and put a few pieces on the lasagna. Now we're all done and we're just gonna let it cool for a little bit and have a taste test. Okay.
So let's see. Ricotta cheese. Let me try it. See, I like how it cuts. Mmm. Good job. Delicious.
Good. It's pretty good.
That was my lasagna cupcake with a twist. Bye, like, subscribe, and share.